Hello Gimme Squad and welcome back to my channel. First I would like to apologize for my voice. I'm not sick, I think it's just allergies because the weather keeps changing from hot to cold, and so I have something. So anyway, but I really wanted to record this because I'm going to wear this unit tomorrow, and I wanted to customize it in front of you guys so you can see how I achieve some of the looks I achieve with my units. So you're okay. Alright, I have my youngest one in here with me, so she's going to try to be quiet, right? While I try to record this. It won't be a real big talk through because of my voice. Also, I know it's been a while since I have been on here and uploaded a video. New year, of course, everyone has, new resolutions and goals they want to set. So I really want to stay consistent with my posting. So I'm really going to try to upload videos. Instead of sleeping on my off days, I'm going to try to make sure I do something that I could post for you guys. I really am on Instagram a lot. So if you want to see like my makeup post on there, you can do that and follow me. And I'll put my username in the description box below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And it's great to see you guys in the new year. We are blessed to have made it to 2018. And so 2017 was not great for me. There were a lot of down moments, a lot of things I went through, which is why I stopped posting. I kind of lost myself. I retreated into myself, trying to remain strong and to just keep going through what I was going through. Not keep going through what I was going through, but to stay strong through what I was going through. I kind of withdrew into myself, and I just wasn't in the place to post any videos. So anyway, now I'm hoping I am in a good place, and I'll remain in a good place. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so I have Outray's lace front wig in Stunna. So this, by all means, is not a new unit. She's been out for over a year. The reason why I got her is because she was $9. So Glamour Trust sent an email with some units that were on sale. So I was like, okay. So I grabbed her, and here she is. I got her in the color DRB30/1. Now, there are a lot of reviews on Stunna because, like I said, she's not new at all. And based off of the things that I was looking at on YouTube, she wasn't a very popular unit as far as people liking her. It didn't seem like she lasted very long in the lace front style because she also comes with a half wig. But I'm hoping with me customizing her, maybe she'll last longer than she did for everybody else. Okay. So this is her fresh out of the package. I feel like I haven't recorded a video in a minute, so bear with me if I forget how to do certain things. I do apologize. Okay, so you can go see unboxings with Stunna. I mean, she has your typical, 2 combs, the parting. So let me go ahead and cut off the lace on her. And she doesn't really feel big head friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and undo the clasp on here. So I've been wearing my natural hair for a while. Ever since Harvey hit the Houston area. And I didn't have to go to work for a while. I decided to just go ahead and take out my natural hair. So I've been wearing my hair out. So I don't even know if I know how to cut the lace off anymore. So here it goes. Okay, so we have the lace cut off. Took me longer than normal. I lost my wig cap, so I'm hoping this black one doesn't look too bad once I put this unit on. And it's wash day, so my hair is really thick under here because I've been wearing wash and goes. So hopefully this works. Okay. Trying to position her. Okay. So this is Stunna. She's like she has a yucky feel to her. And again, this is the DRB 30 DRB 30/1. I don't know if I've ever had a #1 unit, or at least it's been a minute. Okay, so this is what the other reviewers were talking about. Hold on, baby. This is what the other reviewers were talking about. She has, I don't know if you can see, but she's shedding. But I like her. As far as the feel, she feels like that natural hair. Oh, wow. That's a lot. I don't think that's from me cutting her. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a lot of shedding. I'm going to open up the part some more. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I have taken plucked a little bit of the hairs out of the part. And I added powder to the inside. Okay, so she is long. I'm 5'2", so she's all the way down here. She's probably like 22, 24 inches. Alright, so how I'm going to customize her. One, I'm going to give her a bang. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some bobby pins and, whoa, I lost one. She got away from me. Okay, I'm going to take some bobby pins. That way she can stay in place until I get ready to glue her down. So hopefully with the bobby pins she'll stay in place. So we are going to go ahead and customize her. So I know some YouTubers were saying they wish she had like a little bang. So that's what we're gonna give her, is a little bang. A little bang action. I'm probably gonna end up cutting a lot off of her, so this tutorial is not for the faint of heart, because this is coming off. This is because she's too long and that's why she's gonna tangle. If you want to just wear her one time, keep her this length, but I'm trying to wear her at least for a week, 2 weeks if possible. So let's go ahead. Okay, so now she has a little bang going on. So now I'm going to add some layers and kind of cut her up. Before I speed this video up, I don't want to cut off too much of the 30, so I'm going to try to really take more of the 1 off. But still, I'm going to have to add some layers to the 30. Okay, speed it up now. Alright, so I've completed one side of the transformation. My visitor is doing her hair. You gotta put it on the back, Fairy. You can't just put to me on the front. Okay, so as you can see, hopefully you can see the length difference, how much I've cut off this side versus this side. So that's probably a good 4 to 5 inches that I've cut off. And I did add a bang to her and some layers. So this is her after. This is the before, the after, and the before. Alright, sorry. Okay, so now I am going to do the rest off camera because there really isn't any difference to what I did to this side. I'm going to do this one. Except I'm not going to put a bang on this side, but that's only different. So I will be right back. Okay, so we are back again. I went ahead and cut some layers into her, gave her a bang. Okay, sorry. So we have some bang action going on. Sorry. Some bang action going on. I had some layers into her. I'm not a fan of heart lace. It hurts the scalp. She reminds, I think the first unit I reviewed, or I did an update on. That's what she reminds me of. I think that is Outre. What was that? The Dominican blowout. I think that was Outre. That's what this is what she reminds me of. And I think I did have that color in like a 30 or something. No, I didn't. Maybe it was like a 27-30. But anyway, that's what she reminds me of, that hard lace. And I remember she was always messing with my scalp. What did you do with the toothbrush, Sharon? She was always not messing with it, like irritating my scalp. So I'm not going to get crazy with creating baby hairs in the unit. But I am going to make some. And I'm making them pretty long. Because my hair is long. No, baby, you don't need hair. Okay. Turn around. My visitor is very disruptive. She's trying to do her hair. She's not understanding what's going on right now. I think she has the best hairline. Probably can customize her more so it doesn't look so across there. Let me add some powder. There. No, don't spray that one. This chick right here. Alright, it's enough. This does not cheat. Okay. I just feel like this is a big chunk right here. I feel like I might go in and try to thin that part out. But I mean, if you wear with the bangs down, you know, you can't see the hairline, and so everything else is pretty decent. But if, like, when I'm working, I like to keep hair out of my face. So then it does look like it's just... So I think that is it for Stunna. Outre Stunna. Like I said, she's an older unit. So, I mean, why not get her? If you can get her on sale for $9, go ahead and pick her up. Since I cut all that off and put layers in her, I don't have the tangling that... the other YouTubers had with her. So I think that did help me, putting layers in her and cutting off all that hair. Plus this looks more natural to me, and I can work with this at work. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, oh, that's my ponytail. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Again, I'll post the final look pictures once I have my hair laid down more and not so puffy, just so you can get a better idea of what she'll look like on you. So, I guess until next time, guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification so you can know when a new video is on the way. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for bearing with me through my voice. And we are going to go. You want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Okay, our hair is done.
No, not my hair.
Your hair is not done yet? Okay.
I'm sliding down.
Okay. All right.
I'm happy.
Ready?
Bye.